I'm impressed with the way you are thinking. You've got access to VIDDLE Interact with some basic agency features. That's a great start, but there's one big problem. That is stopping your epic success at getting and keeping your own clients. Small businesses could easily buy VIDDLE Interact from the main VIDDLE Interact sales page and set up their own profitable video hosting when they see the advanced features and high-speed hosting that you are providing them without the agency white label upgrade. However, if you rebrand VIDDLE Interact as your very own, they'll have no idea it's actually our product. You see, that's exactly the point of what we're doing here. We want you to succeed. That's why we are offering you the most advanced version of VIDDLE Interact Agency White Label. You can rebrand the software as your own, plus sell it to unlimited clients, and watch your business grow big time. Replace multiple software with this one powerful tool. You can upload, host, stream, edit, and publish your client HD videos from your dashboard within seconds. Ready-made agency website, $997 value. You never get a second chance at a first impression, so your website should wow your prospects. We make sure you make a fantastic first impression with our VIDDLE agency website that includes graphics and impressive content to get you started. Add unlimited agency clients, $697 value. You can add as many clients as you want. You can sell VIDDLE Interact access for any price you want. We will never charge you a success tax or limit your growth. Add unlimited team members, $297 value. As you keep adding clients, you may want to bring on more staff to help manage your growing business. VIDDLE Interact Agency White Label won't hold back this growth either. Keep adding team members and even assign them to different teams with no limits. The fact is, we need to be fair to the early adopters of VIDDLE Interact with a label agency and make sure we are able to support all the additional bandwidth this offer will add to our site. We can't allow everyone to grab this at such a low price. That's why we're forced to limit the number of people who get in at this price point. Soon we will be increasing the price and taking away some of the best features just so we can keep making the offer. The good news is, for a very limited time you can upgrade to VIDDLE Interact Agency White Label for the lowest possible price and ensure that you can have access with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Don't wait on this. The price will be increasing. Choose now and secure your order before this special offer gets taken down. Press the Buy Now button to lock in your VIDDLE Interact Agency White Label. Buy this product through my given link and get free exclusive rewards or bonuses.